So here we have a 2007 Vauxhall Zafira. It's an interior valet. As you can see, it's pretty, a bit better under the carpets. It's pretty dirty, stained seats, quite mucky in places. Right, with the hoovering being done, now going on to the shampooing stage. And as you can see, this seat's quite bad. When I was hoovering it, actually, it was almost so dirty, it was almost marking the seat as I was doing this with the hoover. So as it's really bad, got to give it a pretty good soaking with the fabric shampoo. So that's that part done. See how that dries. Now I've just got this bit to do, 6 other seats and all the carpet areas, but you get the gist of how it's done. So now all the shampooing's been done, I've now got to tackle all the interior plastics, and what I'm going to do is spray it with a pretty strong mix of all-purpose cleaner and then soft brush. It's quite a big brush, a lot to do. Work the cleaner in to all of the crevices and all the plastics, and then wipe with a damp microfiber. There you go, that bit's looking a bit better. Okay, the next stage, so I've done all the hoovering, all the shampooing, the seats, the floor, the mats, all the roof lining, done all the plastics. Now it's the glass. So the next stage, start dressing up all of this interior. I'll do half a section. There we go, you can see clear difference. So I've now got to go around and do all the plastics, just to brine up the plastics. Some plastics, when they get a little bit sort of faded or a little bit dull, putting the silicone free sheen on it makes a big difference to the overall appearance. Okay, finally some last minute finishing touches. Orglim silicone spray. Just got to do a final hoover where I've had the doors open and things are blowing inside, but it's looking much better. And this is from the other side, all the mats are now dry, back in, it's all been at the final hoover. In. A bit better now. So it's come up quite well for a 2007 Zafira.